2019-20, clearly Donruss personal box for Sean. Thank you, Sean. Good luck. 1, 2, or 3. Don't watch, man. Just in case. Since you just opened 7 of them. Nope. I don't know. Number 1. All right. Good luck, Sean. 2 of these left after this. Colin Sexton and LeBron on the base card. LeBron James, Lakers base. Aaron Gordon, all clear takeoff. Rated rookies are Paschal and Alexander Walker. Pack number 2, Brandon Ingram and Blake Griffin. Number 299 is Chris Paul. Chris Paul at a 99. Rated rookies, Talen Horton Tucker, and there is our first Zion. Zion Williamson, rated rookie base. Guess you're watching. Kyrie Irving and Russell Westbrook on the base. Eric Paschal on the gold rated rookie. Cody Martin and PJ Washington Jr. both for the Hornets on the rated rookie base. 1 pack left. Oladipo and Giannis on the base. Purple rated rookie is PJ Washington Jr. on the purple. And Weatherspoon and Grant Williams on the rated rookie base. Thank you, Sean. Appreciate it. Let me know if I can get you anything else. Anybody else want anything while I'm on?